A massive reconstruction plan is underway in Iraq. In the country's capital, Baghdad, diggers, bulldozers, and other heavy equipment are rebuilding neighborhoods. Infrastructure projects are aimed at repairing sewage and water systems as well as sidewalks and roadways. It's a push by Prime Minister Mohammed Shia al-Sudani's government to improve basic services in a country pockmarked by years of conflict from invasion as well as internal factions warring for power. A few hours' drive away in Basra is a robot-operated factory producing chemical adhesives and the liquid materials used in construction. The German-made machines operating this facility are fifth generation, meaning they use advanced artificial intelligence and operate without human interaction. The high-tech setting means more output, fewer workers, and less chance for human error throughout the process.
Robots help save a lot of things. For example, time is definitely less with a robot than with manpower, in addition to saving effort. With manpower, we would need at least 100 to 150 workers, while now the factory is operated by only 25 employees, just to supervise, but not to interfere with production or anything else.
Al-Musawi added that robotic precision guarantees flawless materials for as many as 3 decades. But with manpower, he says, mistakes are inevitable, and no such guarantees can be made. The Basra factory is near the Iraq-Kuwait border, and Al-Musawi says they plan to export their goods to neighboring countries after meeting local demand. Back in Baghdad, the roughly $400 million public works project rolls on, something the city's mayor says was impossible after the national government's collapse and the rise of the Islamic State militant group locally known as Daesh.
Today, thank God, there is security, stability, and an abundance of funds, and a government that wants to provide services to the people of the city. Most protests that happened in the previous period were results of lack of services. And this is what promoted the current government to put on its priorities and in its government program provision of services that suffered from a significant shortage after 2013.
Iraq is an oil-rich country. It collected more than $115 billion from sales in 2022, helping to fund the infrastructure improvements. And these reconstruction projects are just the beginning. As Reuters reports, the Tigris River is packed with sewage and trash, both of which remain untreated. Arash, Arabasadi, VOA News.